Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Biora and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I genuinely appreciate it. If you want to see how I got this hairstyle, how I achieved this hairstyle and what hair color I used, keep watching and see. I try to twist my hair myself, due to pandemic and lockdown and all of that stuff. Somebody cannot go out, so I tried to do it myself. I don't know, I think I tried. I already started and I just said let me film the rest. So you need a regular comb, a tail comb, an airbrush. You also need your eco styler and you also need your hair wax or edge control, anything. Just lay it down. And you need hair cream just to moisturize my scalp. Then I got mousse just to keep my hair in place after I'm done. Then I got this weave-on gloss. To be honest, I don't know what they use it for. My hairdresser just normally uses it when she's making my hair, so I bought it. And yeah, I think that was all I got. Oh shit, it's hot. So yeah, that's it. I'm just going to move straight into it. If you see me looking over here, it's because my mirror is here, so I have to see what I'm doing. Do you guys get? Yeah, I bought 4 packs of expression braiding hair. Then I cut it into 2. I pre-stretched it. Then I mixed the 4 of them together to give me the color, to give me this color. I think I used color 1, 27, 35 and 33. Yeah, and that's all I used, to be honest. I'm just going to start with the first one. As you can see, I already started braiding off of it. I started, so I'm just going to complete it and finish it up. It's so hot, you guys. I'm sacrificing the fan to actually film this video, just so you can hear me.
Pick up the phone, baby, I'm calling you. I put my all in you. Was supposed to ball with you. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby. For you to tell me you don't wanna do this, that's cool, baby. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby. For you to say you haven't second thought, you know what? To you, baby. And you can keep the things that I bought you. You can tell your friends that they want. Think of all the things that I've done. All the little things that they wanted to. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. Wanted to. I dare you to say we weren't special. Say we weren't special, girl. So you mean I gave you my love for nothing? All of my trust for nothing. So you mean I called you my rib for nothing? Think of all the things that I did for nothing. Took you my mama clip for nothing. Told me that you wanna have my kids for nothing. Vacation for 2 for nothing. Reservations for 2 for nothing. Wait, your girl said she saw me with who? What's her name? You gon' let this girl convince you that I'm playing games.
So at this point, I mistakenly used the fire to cut off the ending of my hair, the tip of my hair. It was a mistake because the fire stayed too long. So when you're doing yours, just make sure you're careful enough so that you don't just be using fire to cut off excess of your hair and your hair doesn't get shattered. Do you guys get? And I also forgot to mention that I watched a couple of videos before attempting to do mine, so I'm going to link them below. I watched 2 videos so that you guys understand what I'm doing, just in case I'm not explaining properly. I also wanted to say that it's okay for you not to get it the first time or the second time or the third time. Just keep trying, you eventually get it. This is me struggling and not getting it, and plus I'm bored in that area. So it was really a struggle, but then eventually I got to it after the 3rd attempt or something. It wasn't picking, so then I just kept trying until I actually had my grip on it. Then it eventually worked. guys, so at this point I was so tired. It was like 1 a.m. so I just told my cousin to help me trim my hair while I'm making it, just to make things a little bit faster so I could go to bed. I didn't even do an outro. I was so tired. So guys, at this point, as you can see, there was like a piece of hair sticking out, and that was because I couldn't pick it. It was too small and I was scared that if I forcefully pick it, I will eventually pull it out, and I'm too bald. I cannot be risking pulling out hair at this point. So then I decided that I'll stick it into one of the braids, or I'll just turn it into baby hairs, which I eventually turned into baby hairs. So yeah.
I put my all in you. Was supposed to ball with you. I've been grinding, I've been working for you, baby. Eh. For you to tell me you don't wanna do this, that's cool, baby. Eh. I've been grinding, I've been working for you.
I'm finally done making my hair, and I think I like it. It's cute, it looks good. This is like day 3, by the way. Like I made it like 2 days ago, and I'm just streaming an outro because I was so lazy and so tired after I was done. So let me know if you like it, because I do, and I think it looks cute. Dun, dun, dun. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification. Let me know how you feel in the comment section. And yeah, you guys should stay safe. And wait before you go, wait for the slow motion, because I mean, you guys have to see me do some okay. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.